These residents are working with community groups to craft and implement programs that will transform their communities. Programs designed to address the issues of crime and violence, unemployment, and low educational attainment.
We have a football club that we govern, the Benevolent Society govern. We have the senior citizen club that we govern, and you have the netball club that we govern. Sports is an active part of the community. The football club is where majority of the young men look forward for this game. We have the under-20 presently in preparation. We have the under-17, we have the under-13. Sports is a way of bonding together. Recreation and strong social bond make your community more healthy and happier.
We start a preschool program because there are mothers, young teenagers that don't complete school. They're in CSJP program and have nobody to keep their child. So we decided to start a preschool to keep those children, those youth, further their education and get a skill.
The Citizen Security and Justice Program CSJP has been supporting the residents' efforts to address the needs of their communities.
The community governance component of CSJP focuses on working with community groups in order to direct the policies and the interventions that will be implemented within the communities. CSJP has been working with community groups for over 17 years, and it propels the organization in being able to address crime and violence within the communities.
To achieve this objective, the CSJP has been partnered with a number of agencies, including the Department of Cooperatives and Friendly Society, DCFS, and the Social Development Commission, SDC. The DCFS provides support services to the community groups, which enables them to become benevolent societies.
What the registration does in the simplest form is provides continuity. Because you know, persons will come and go in organizations, and if they don't have a structured governance structure, it will break down. So registration provides them with that continuity for them to approach funding agencies for help. They go through training. We work with the society to ensure that the rules are prepared, that the various officers get training in their roles and responsibilities. We train them in governance. That is how they manage the organization. We train them in accounting and bookkeeping. We train them in the preparation of minutes. We do conflict resolution.
By becoming benevolent societies, the groups are recognized as legal entities, enabling them to access support services from a number of local and international donor agencies.
They are looked at JCIF, CSJP, USAID, PIOJ, all of these organizations then know that there is a responsible organization and that they have to be abiding by a certain type of registration procedures and protocol.
SDC has been instrumental in the work of CSJP and with the benevolent societies, as they assist greatly in providing capacity building training to the benevolent societies and the community development committees. These training areas relates to project management, organizational development, proposal development, and also conflict management.
With the training and support received, the residents can take charge of their operations and are more equipped to manage the projects and initiatives that will advance their communities.
The Constitution says that we have to have at least three general meetings per year. You have to have minutes of the meetings from executive also to the general meeting. You have to have all the financial statements up to date, bank record up to date, and you have to get your audit done. You have to have at least, I believe, 3/4 of your members will have to be present at all meetings. And also, you have to have a membership and paid up members.
Since the CSJP has been working within the communities, significant reduction in crime and violence and the perception of safety has been witnessed within these communities.
I'm giving my driver's license, teach me how to make LED lighting. The driving, I can't get a job.
The Vega City Benevolent Society, they assisted me from grade 3 onwards to university. I got tutored with math and English to help with GSAT at the time. I passed 7 CXCs and actually 8 CAPES. Now where I'm at, I have to study a lot, and they still would be assisting me up until 4th year.
Without the help from CSJP, this could not be possible.
CSJP is one of the best things that ever happened to us. CSJP, we have to say thank you.
The Citizen Security and Justice Program, building peaceful and productive communities by empowering residents to become participants in the management and decision-making processes that affect their well-being.